Introducing Digispot AI SEO Insights, the only Chrome extension SEO pros actually need for their on-page insights.
Stop juggling 15 or more tools. This all-in-one extension gives you instant on-page SEO mastery powered by your latest LLM AI models with no cost.
Digispot AI Chrome extension helps you view and analyze your web page and your competitor web page metadata in a few seconds using latest LLM AI models. These metadata form the source for your Google search result card, helping your clicks and traffic grow.
Our extension helps you also analyze your headings, hierarchy of the headings, and also a detailed content analysis. This includes the words, readability, unigram, bigram, trigram analysis. Page links for a given page, including internal, external, email, or mobile, like action links, are all covered as a part of the link analysis. This helps you improve your CTA by analyzing and fixing your CTA text and broken links, if any, in the page. Spot missing alt text, compress oversized images, and optimize titles in seconds. Digispot AI helps you audit and spot issues for your visuals to be SEO ready. Schema markup plays a key role in the world of LLM, voice chat, and AI summaries. Visualize structured data like never before. From list view to entity mapping and graph view of the entities in a page, Digispot AI brings your schema to life and validates it instantly. Preview and perfect how your pages appear on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Digispot AI ensures your content looks click-worthy.
You can now submit page speed audits to Google directly using our extension in Chrome. Review your page performance score for web and mobile to detect your problems with slow loading pages.
The default prompt template for AI audit of page details are now editable for users, and you can save your favorite prompts and use them for audit of specific details. Power of latest models and prompt templates democratized with no cost. It's a free community edition. Go ahead and use our free Digispot AI SEO Insight Chrome extension and share it with your team. Let's win search engines together.